Hey, it's me with another unboxing video. So this time it's goodies from Lori Moreno and Wilderness Glass. And so, you know, I use a lot of Wilderness Glass supplies. Once a year on Black Friday, Lori does a sale of, you know, either kind of seconds, if you will, or just kind of closeout sale. And so she did it this year, and I held back because last year I spent, no kidding, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds on stuff. This year I held back, but I'm still excited about what I got. So I thought I'd just cut it open and share. So let's get started. Hope everybody's doing well. I have a couple more videos in the queue, like 3 that are coming. So make sure that you are subscribed, because I think you'll like what you see coming. All right, so I'm opening this up. I've got some fun stuff. I got these little bits. Shoot, I can't even remember what these were advertised as. Lori, I'm so sorry you're watching this and say like, hello, dope. But I thought they were really cool. They're white, and they've got, can you see? Yeah. Little white streaks in there, or little yellow streaks, and I thought that they could make neat, you know, petals on flowers or a little star design. So just cool pieces there. These are bees, so there's some honeybees, bee bodies, and then some black rod, and then wings. I thought these wings are cool. And then these were just a mixed bag of purple millefiori and murini and cane or whatever, so some kind of purple floral mix there. I don't have a lot of purple in my collection, which is why I bought that. Next, let's see which one. I know what's in these two, so let's open. Oh, I know what's on all these. So I have a goal to get into pattern bars. I am really excited about trying, let's just cut it this way, trying to do more pattern bar work because I bought a tile saw. And so now that I have a tile saw, I thought it would be fun to do some pattern bars. So I bought a couple of molds and thought it would be neat to use, these are some of her twisty canes, in some pattern bars so that when I slice them, I get this look. So I just bought several random, that's really cool on its own. I may not even do that idea now that I think about it, because these are really, really pretty. But I thought it would be cool to use some cane in pattern bars. So that's that. And then along that same theme, you're going to see that I did some cane here too. So as she, I love, well, I love all of her products, but I also love her cane, and yeah, see, these are cool. So cut on a bias, some of this stuff could look cool in some pattern bars, but again, man, this looks neat even without the pattern bar approach. So now I'm gonna have to talk myself into using these for the intended purpose that I bought them for. And I believe this is, I think I bought 2 packages of that, so I think this is just going to be the same kind of mix of twisty canes here. Yep, but I'll pull them out and show them to you anyway, so check it out. Really, really cool. Some neat, I love, so let me see here. Let me pick one out. Let's use this as an example. This is clearly a flower. Can you see that okay? There you go. Clearly a flower. But then look how cool it is when you feature it as a cane. So flower, wicked cool. But really awesome pattern this way as well. So decisions. Okay, hope everybody's doing well. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have not heard, I am now on Facebook, that you can follow me along on Facebook. And so here is the information on how to do that. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.